what I needed. Just what I needed.
Hello, it's me, Ivan, a 9-year-old boy. Today I'll show you how to make part 12 of Super Mario. So save your project as a new copy as always and rename it and yeah. So I'm just going to the music, like the sounds, and instead of if editor is less than 1, like for the if else in the music, change that to a regular if that is less than 1. And then now put a when I receive level stop. Just gonna see here and stop all of the descriptions. Now let's gonna focus on what we're gonna do today. Today we're gonna mainly do how to fix I'm just gonna turn it down so I can. We're gonna make so that some of our tiles in our games to be auto arranging. I'm just gonna show you in the. Yep, I'm on level 4. I'm gonna restart. Good. Now I got a test area. You can see we can if we place down a square of tiles, we have to I'm just gonna do it. If we have to pick cycles through every tile, and we also might accidentally pick the wrong tile. I'm just gonna show you here. Just making square. You have to cycle through all the tiles, and it's hard to do. And if we just can add auto tile arranging, that's what we're gonna add today. It will just auto find all the tiles and make it like that. And also, I'm just gonna maybe add some gradients to decorate this place. Good. This will be the testing area. So let's get started. I'm just gonna place down enemies so it doesn't look boring at all. Okay, now we can start doing what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna see if I can just jump on the. Okay, let's get started. What we have to now. Let's get started. Go into the tile sprite and make a new list and name it tile groups. Fall sprites. And then just fill in the values. The first 2 costumes are blank. And the third costume is just put 1. Keep putting 1 until 8. And 9 and 10 are blank, and 11 to 19 is 2. Yep. Just gonna. And 20 is just leave 20 to 30 blank. I mean 20 to 32 blank. And we'll cover the other tiles in the game later. Like the things. Good. Now, I'm just gonna also this widen the list so we can make a new list. So in the editor sprite, let's make a new list named tile recipes. And then in the tile recipes, I'm just gonna, I wish we could make it full screen while we're editing. But in the tile recipe, add 2 blank rows, and for the third one, put 1 1 1 0, and then 1 1 1 1, and then 1 0 1 1, and then 0 1 1 0, and then 0 1 1 1, and then 0 0 1 1, and then and 9 and 10 are blank, and for 11, 1 1 0 0, for 12, 1 1 0 1, for 13, 1 0 0 1, for 14, 1 1 1 0, for 15, 1 1 1 1, for 16, 1 0 1 1, for 17, 0 1 1 0, for 18, 0 1 1 1, for 19, 0 0 1 1. Okay, we're finished with both. I'm just gonna hide them too, and in the other part we can start coding up. And then now let's make a new custom block named paint tile. Run without screen refresh. And then put everything under the if item children brush or tile key max equals 9 into a paint tile, and replace it with the paint tile like that. I'm just gonna clean up blocks. And I'm just gonna put it here and make the window smaller, and scroll down to the bottom, and then now let's make another new custom blocks named fixed costume with the input of IDX and run without screen refresh. And put the fixed costume under the paint tile. And I'm just gonna find the tile index and put tile index as a value. And then duplicate that and get a plus. And just get a plus and put tile index plus 1 like that. And now duplicate the duplicate one of the blocks, and instead of tile index plus 1, put tile index plus grid height. And duplicate the 2 blocks. And instead of plussing, put minusing for all the plussing that's the bottom copy. Just gonna do it like that. So we check left, top, bottom, middle, and up. Now let's make a new variable and name it tile groups for this sprite only. And set tile groups. Where is it? I'm just gonna find tile groups. Where is tile groups? Oh, here. Tile groups 2. Item, tile of tile groups. The list. And we're almost done, but done this thing. I'm just gonna hide, but we had to tweak one last, and yeah. I just remove under the where's the paint? Yeah, under the paint tile, remove the bottom 4 blocks. And I'm just gonna put down the volume so we can test. I'm also gonna load to level 4 so I can test properly. And every tile now we paint, like the tile groups like changes. If I paint the first one, it changes to 1. If I paint this one, it changes to the 2. Okay, good. So let's actually make it like the work. Make it work. Like for example, if I was placing these blocks here, they should automatically change. Okay, let's continue coding up our script. Now, find the define fixed cost in my DX. Just put an if, check if tile groups is less than 1. Tile groups is less than 1. Then we stop the script. Like that. Now let's make a new variable named recipe for this part only. Recipes for this part only. Then let's make a new custom and it's actually set recipe to the blank value under the fixed costume IDX. Set recipes to the empty value. And then make a new custom block named build recipes. Run without screen refresh. Oops, I need to edit it. And with the input of edge index. And run without screen refresh as always. And put the build recipes block here. And also, I'm gonna, where's the, yep, these operators, like copy all of these. So we will be needing them later. Just gonna reorder them. Like that. So now let's, and now go back into fixed custom IDX. Duplicate the build recipes 4 times. And put the inputs here. Like the inputs we just copied. But replace all tile index with the IDX input. And now back to the build recipe. Now under the build recipes, let's make a new custom block named edge recipes for this part only. I mean edge tile. Let's rename it edge tile and set it to item edge index of tile grid. And now put an if else, checking if tile groups equals item tile edge index of tile groups. And then we simply set in the if, put a set recipes to recipes join 1, and else put set recipes join 0, like that. And put edge tile here instead of the. Now I'm just gonna run the project and just gonna make some walls so the Goomba can wander in. Just also gonna remove the orange tiles. Good. Just gonna remove them. And for the blue tile, if we put one on top of another, wait. Yep, I'm just gonna do it again. Because I'm just gonna remove it again. I'm just gonna undo, after I'm done clearing these, I'm just gonna do unleash level editor mode again, so you can save. And now if we put one of the orange tiles, one on top of each other, see, like the recipes and the edge tile changes, as you see. And then we can use this to help us determine which tile is beside it. So yeah, so let's continue coding up this amazing auto tile arranging. And now find the define fixed costume at, and then put a set tile to 1 at the very bottom, and put a repeat length of tile groups, and then put an if, and under the if put a change tile by 1, and inside if put an operator is equals, and put item tile of tile groups, and equals tile groups, not tile grids, and equals the tile groups variables, and put another if inside. Now checking if item tile of tile recipes equals the recipes variable. Just gonna hide these. And then we replace replace IDX, like the IDX, and put out the fixed costume IDX, like IDX, with tile, and then stop the script. Now I think it's worth a test. I'm just gonna go into the level I was using. Oh, I just almost forgot. In the if tile of recipe equals recipes under define fixed collision IDX, fixed costume IDX, it's not an equal, it's a contains. So yeah, just replace it. And now if we press and if we go change, we go see. If we paint a square and paint the last 4, wait, if I just paint, wait, nothing big changed. Oh, I just made, I know why, because I'm just gonna try it again, and I'm just gonna make a square, and the last tile, see, it replaced it. Now if we paint over see, if we paint over the existing tile, it automatically arranges for it, see? It's so cool watching it arrange. This is how it's supposed to be arranging. Like that. Very cool. And I can confirm we didn't add these tiles, so pretty well. I'm also going to just remove it, because, yeah, just wait a sec, because I need to just remove it. Now I think this will also work. Yeah, it worked. See, it's auto-arranging these costumes. Yep. It works super well, actually. Maybe I should. Wait, I'm just gonna disable the when R key pressed here. Where's it when R key pressed? Here, I'm just gonna disable it. And now if we test, I'm just gonna, yep, it works properly. And it's working so great. You can just paint like extra tiles all over here. And then we paint over the tile again. It auto ranges. It's working so well. You can have like, after this episode, you can like create like parkours using these blocks. But at least that's what I feel like doing. Good. Now, let's actually continue. But you can still replace tiles like that. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Now let's actually continue. Go back to locate to define. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here. Locate to define paint tile and reattach the scripts we unattached later. And yeah, something we'll do. Something special do if we just like, I'm just gonna. Now it auto arranges. Look at this. Look at this. It actually auto arranges it. It's so cool watching it auto arrange it. And yeah, it looks so cool. And now we can like make very staircases and all sorts. Well, I'm just gonna actually, oh yeah, I have to reset the level. I have to reattach the level scripts. And I'll make it 300 length and 40 height. And yeah, I'm not gonna disattach it again. And now you see it's reset. You can now like make parkours using this. You may like want to like a starting point here. And the blue platforms also auto arranges too also. And I'm also gonna set the Mario spawn to here, so we can start. And you can, I will design the level a bit and show you later. Now in the editor spec, I'm just gonna reattach with our key press. Let's have a way to disable editor. So drag a 1Q key press. And then let's make a new variable named auto for the sprite only. And we set auto to to 1 minus the auto variable. Like that. Yep, we can see if we toggle the auto variables. And then find to define paint tile. And wrap the 5 fixed costumes with an if, checking if auto is greater than 0. And now let's test. By clicking the green flag, and also go to switch to this one, the real, like the new level as I made, you see. I also made like a bit of hardcore, and it's basically impossible to beat this level. So in this falling void, I'm just gonna build something new here. A wall to not let the Goombas in. But I may put like a wall here. Do stunts. So yeah. Now let's start adding the stuff we need. First, if auto is set to 0 as you start, and if we press 3 and there's no auto range, if we press Q again, every time now we place are gonna be auto ranging, like what we now did, like now. So yeah, not really a big change, but it just feels better so we can toggle editor on and off. Now locate to define. Where is it define? Paint tile again. And in the if else of a tile you could chosen brush. On the else, put an if, checking if auto is greater than 0. I may as well copy it from here. And then we simply set tile groups to item chosen brush of tile groups. And then put another if, checking if tile groups is greater than 0. And then I'm just also gonna hide the auto. And then in the if, put another if, checking if tile groups equals item tile of tile groups. And then we set brush to 2. Edit the tile recipes list. Oops, I'm just gonna make the screen bigger now. We edit. We'll only be editing 6, 7, and 8. So for the 6, add a space and add 0, 1, 0, 0. And for 7, add a space and put 0, 1, 0, 1, and another space 0, 0, 0, 0, and another space 0, 0, 1, 0. And for 8, add a space and put 0, 0, 0, 1, like that. So go under the define paint tile, let's change some stuff. And actually, luckily we don't need to change anything. And now if we just gonna use L and put level 5, and I'm just gonna restart level 5. Yep, it's like a white tunnel, but I'm gonna restart it again. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. We're done for now. We have covered these. We're actually done for this episode, but we have to tweak. We have to edit the tile recipes list again. We're gonna edit 3, 4, and 5. For 3, put a space in 1100. Oops. And for 4, put a space and put 1101 and a space and 1000. And for 5, put a space and put 1001, like that. And for the last time, I did the tile recipes list again. And we're going to change 12, 15, 17, and 18. For 12, change it to put a space and put 1000. And for 15, put a space and put a 1010. And for 17, put a space and 0100. Oops, what's for 17 again? 0110. And then put a space and put a 0100. And for 18, put a space and put a 0010 space 0000 space 0101, like that. And hide, and I think it's done. I'm also gonna just put some new testing grounds here. I'm just gonna try this. Yep, it's looking way better than before. Yep, it's looking good. And I'm just gonna also erase these tiles. And now we can make more exciting levels. I'm just gonna zoom to the end. And put these black things. The black curtains. Because I'm just getting ready for the next episode 13. We're gonna be adding the end boxes too, so we can go on the next level. I'm just redesigning level 5. Well, this will be another end of this episode. And if you enjoy it, please like and smash the like. Please click the like button, smash the subscribe button to view more Your Teaching videos. Bye. See you next time.
Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Just what I needed.
可以了。你这个录着没用，我要自己录，因为这个上。